And ultimately, like I mentioned early in the beginning, ultimately, guess who fails, right? Guess who takes the brunt of the hit? It's the patient. Is the patient who has to now, because they don't understand the medications, their blood pressure runs amok. It's the patient who has to, maybe they don't understand that they were supposed to see one doctor, they end up seeing another, right? So now there's an additional cost to them because they become so overwhelmed with the system and they shut it down. They say, you know what, I'm just not going to going. And then now 6 months, a year and a half later, a disease that may have been in its early stages is at a much more advanced stage. And sometimes the treatment uh, that you could have gave in the beginning doesn't even work anymore. I said countless of times, I've told this story before. I had my male patient who walked in again, same typical story, had avoided the healthcare system for as long as he could until his family brought him in there.